continuously, deliberately. Wamodi yakoma ya dwen ene ya brabo edi agro. Mebe no so. But say na corruption fighting and that for more. Dr. Mamadou Bawumia say fighting corruption in Ghana is like fighting demons and principalities. Wow. Fighting corruption in Ghana is like fighting demons and principalities. And it makes it extremely difficult. And for that matter, we should give Matanamidu some time, some space to function. We should give the government some time, some space to function. Doctor, corruption Adom Nsem. Corruption no, Adom Nsem said boom. Jacob Zuma said the same thing in South Africa, and things went haywire. Zimbabwe former president Robert Akunta Mugabe said the same thing, and things got bad. But I want you to I want you to listen to the vice president. I want you to listen to the vice president.
Fighting corruption is something that you have to always keep doing, because when you are fighting corruption, as I say, you are fighting demons and principalities. so you always have to be on top of it, because they come in different shapes and reinvent themselves.
So, maybe some people say corruption will be reinvent here. Where there's just an intro. One village, one dam. I'm there. And I've said, sir, look, no matter what happens, myself and my team, we will day and night continue to save this country. At the drop of my last blood, I will shout to save Ghana. I keep saying, you can choose to hate me, you can choose to like me. I don't care about that one. What I care about is Ghana. Contractors, I idea, say the contractors, they say, you can't show me so I'm on quiet dam. Yes, so I'm quiet dugout. And see, I'm quite woman, I don't go. I'm quite woman, then swung time keke. And I'm sure His Excellency and another Dan Kwakufado say, whatever the question, one quite investigate. The entire one village, one dam, basin, one. Meanwhile, in the 2018 budget, and a bino parliament, and I'm saying, a bino any swadi huniti, what General MPC Council, and approve his up that bit. Answer parliament, sorry, for Christmas break. Sika 94.5 million Ghana cedis. And a bell room is a young fanquaya, one village, one dam. According to His Excellency, almost 89 million of that money you're spending. It is a 94, and I say, I got 5 million. And so, a Juan Bessin there. Dr. Mamadou Bawumia can say, within 1 year, all the 570 up to today, you one. You one. Now, yani contractors ne bako kasa. Contractor ne catch and say, your mother, honorable, the contractor Banyaman Juma. So on no. I asked my producer to go to call him, contact and say, me, you, your mother. You see, sikana ye fo ewo krom ha. But Honorable Patience Abayaga, and a Upper East Regional Minister Abayiga, the woman said that she would not pay anybody. And kudos to the regional minister. She said, me, I will not pay anybody. Some of them in Sabah Shakrata say you entry contractors are you do want be good region him say one village wonder mean tria wo net mean tria wo china ade o say nya dam no ma be ho adwuma bia ne ho ma ya e che say ye dam. No wonder so here ba ko ka say ya be twa nkundua ni na ato agu. What about the regional minister in Vietnam and Samra?
I know we have challenges with some of the constructions. We have had challenges with some of the some have been effective. 2 of them have come to my attention so far. One in Kajolo, in the Kasnan and Kana West District. The one in Soin in the Bolga municipality. I've spoken to the consultants. One thing the only thing I can assure you as a regional minister is that I, sitting here, will ensure value for money. So I have told the consultant that for now I'm putting on hold payment, signing of payment certificate, especially if the job is complete. If it's halfway, fine, I can sign. But if it's fully complete and the person is going to take the money, then I won't sign until it has been able to withstand the test of the rains that are coming. If it's able to stand the rains, then I'll go ahead and sign. That's for me to ensure value for money. But whether it will serve the purpose, it will serve the purpose. That's why we are spending so much money. And when we talk about dams, we're not talking of dams like Bui dams or Akusumbu dams or the very soon to be built Alugu multi-purpose dam. When you go to the village and somebody tells you, I'm going to the dam, the person just means I'm going to a dugout today. That's what we mean by dams in our villages. So we are just it's on that backdrop that we are building what we are building. You agree that there are dugouts, but there are no dams? I didn't say that. I haven't actually looked. What's the definition of dam? Many were of the view that... No, what is the definition? We should look for the definition of dam. And see if it doesn't fit in. Then we can talk of dugouts. I haven't looked for the definition of dam. I know what many are saying. Yes. Many are saying they are dugouts. They are not dams. And I'm saying that I don't know the meaning of a dam. But when we talk of dams in this part of the country, when we talk of dams in this part of the country, we are not talking about the superstructures that we have down south. We are talking about just this. The most important thing is that you should have a small spillway. And most of these ones that we have built have spillways. Have you seen that? Yes, I've seen them.
All right. Total regional minister no, nyame na meka o. Regional minister no, enya fojo anati go ane asanana abu na appointed no. She was being appointed by another Danko Akufo-Addo, and she says that look, adwuma me de mani akwa hwe pa de yenye dam wa ha. Wom say dam no, enye te say akonso modam. Ana bui dam na ye ka, yenim dam na ye ka no. But adwuma no ankasa regional minister tibi de nani akwa hwe contractor say wawie. Say wa ye dam te yentua ne ka no. No way, on sign. Aje bia halfway completed. Yeah, story and His Excellency Tijinem Bam said no. SSC investigating. Vice President Dwaso passing comment on it. It tells you the power of Fabɛwɔso. But Mr. President and Mr. Vice President, with all respect, due you and your government, the contractors are saying they were asked to do dugouts, not dams. So who gave them the contract? Dugouts, no, yeah. And if you look at all the pictures and all the videos that we have, now the 2 old farming dams, now your name say dam it tells you, sir, and your dam, no more yet. Mr. President, so I say you investigated here, and yentem. If you say, if 89 million of the 94.5 million earmarked for the dams, you are spending, that's a real one. Mr. President, Abana Yato Yano, majority of us voted because of corruption. It was not because Ghanaians were hungry. After all, people are still hungry. It was not because people could not find a place to sleep. Up to today, people are still sleeping somewhere else. It was not because of anything. Some of us thought that corruption was really eating into the development fiber of this country. And we needed somebody with a bold heart, a wild man, irrespective of the age, to deal with the canker. But unfortunately, Mr. President, you are losing the fight against corruption. You are losing the fight against corruption, Mr. President. Corruption fight, Nana. Sometimes it is difficult to look into the eyes of your president and tell him the truth, but I will. Nana, I do want some. Because now your voice is telling us that it's we're fighting demons and the principalities. It's about one village, one dam. We've spent almost 89 million Ghana cedis and not a single dam completed. Yani contractor Kasaya. Akwa we catch and say your mother. I will insult you, your mother. What the boy?
Hello.
Hello, Alaji.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, please.
Yeah, my name is. Hey, boss, take your time. My name is Joshua. I'm calling from Asampa.
Jim FM.
Yes. Is it possible for? I hear you are one of the contractors of the dams in the north. Yes, I want to crave your indulgence to see if we can speak to you this morning.
No. You can't speak to me, please.
I can't speak to you.
Yeah.
Okay, but.
Doing politics on this. I'm not ready to talk to anything. It's okay.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But can you give me a bit of?
No, I'm not ready to talk to anything, please. It's all right.
Hey, Master, you are very rude, though.
Yeah?
You are very rude. The way you are talking to me on phone, as if you have a fight with me.
Who are you? And you are telling me I'm very rude. Stupid.
No, you are a very rude person. You are the contractor.
Who are you?
You have done a
public job. I said you are stupid. You are being politics on this.
And you are misbehaving on the phone.
Fuck off.
You are misbehaving.
I said fuck off. Oh, get away.
It is wrong.
Useless people, you are doing politics on this.
We need to hold people
your
like
mother. I said your mother. Your mother. I'm insulting your mother.
You did a job in a very perverse manner. And you're not ready to be accountable to the people.
I say your mother. Your mother, I'm insulting you. I'm not insulting you directly. Your mother. If you want to go by her, look at this useless man.
So is that how you behave?
Super. It's where our contractor Yaman Ajuma. What is the guarantee? Say Jumana yede amano no akwanbe. Me my mother, thank you. Tigo your mother. A friend Ibrahim Yakubu. Contractor Nidino no. Me, my mother, me I will not tell you anything. Tigo your mother, why? Asa, your mother. Team members na kahwan. Ayuwa, your mother. Hey, DJ Awana, your mother. Say your mama. About what your friend say. Sule, your mother. Bra, oh, your mother, what? You see, sometimes this kind of arrogance. Yeah, they are basic tax at the amount. But I have a bit of joy. Says you're investigating. Because President say a yen no one. Oh, Flagstaff House, you know, him say, oh, say na I didn't say Nana, my catcher, oh, look, when you ma to bossy. na kwa Rollins ho na kwa busa no wadamfo no sesei na on kira wade a won na etwa ne ho ahia ne de ye no na nei ko busa je ekufo na wa wo ya we na wa ban ne mu bi de si ya kwabra ne timi nya letterhead presidential letterhead eyusu ye na nipa na etwa ahia je ekufo ho ko busa ne de om de ye no na wo mbi me se de wawu ko busa jo mama na mani hunu part 1 and 2 any the other opposition no go and ask him Basa what's one man who cries and yet to I don't go for me go fade I don't go omo to I don't go o may see so sa na when be ba say no mesie boo sisi na gum no won be boo sisi na gum say ro na wa better pocket o better pocket pa nipa na wa appoint wa mu ne bebre ho a adwuma wa mu ye no wo mu hu na adwuma no so they don't know what they are doing. They only take their shower, go to the office, sit there, attend meetings, take meeting allowances, take their monthly salary, get out of the office, go home, sleep, come back the next morning. Weekends, no makodi no masaba. And nobody is telling you. Hey, okay, say you don't change with the team way back. One for winning team ni na ma. The winning team no, any team papa na nkasa omo teto. Na wo mo he Brana hey wo mo he things are really getting bad. And Mr. President, with all respect to you, sit up. 0302216561 216-562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, I'm into you.
That's it. Because maybe I got a coach in me. First, Makasa. Any panel, the only if I'm general, because of Ancoveria. But still, you don't come in here. And the Omaya Yako school, you see, you pa na yam fa me adwuma mo aye man na yam man koso a ni edu o manu ngamo yes no kura na yam from school no bi so yanya den na sisi abia na tia pansam collection sisi wo kan ni ni panso so no o ye o kan na o kan kura won ti na ye ni pa na be kan wasem na be kan wasem asem ba so ni pa na be ka bia ma wo and we are the enemy here catch us at the end of
your mother.
Only Fakwen, you Ghana for no sacromatic. Now I catch for you, I catch for Bonipa.
Baba, I am funny. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Pacho Mamintio.
Oh, man, you can pray and phone my own. Pierre also can create and from mine. Now, when we are with the parliament, I saw for a madman or smoke for your home, which is a profit where you are so you. Shania ah, yonder the parliament, Nanka. Want to make or a team, want to make share more man, I didn't know. Not when you bring us off. Hey, Yamit, I'm sure you. The back of work on that. Captain Yakupo, why?
But I say, Yamisha, and so, hello. Hello, good morning. I was far from Yanko. Hello, morning.
Hello, Capito, good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Pacho, Papa,
Medase.
I think, sir, contract, he should be suspended or sacked with immediate effect. Because he is a Canadian Siaka. And we need to ask questions. And we're asking questions in our mother. I mean, what is that? He said disgrace the Islamic community. He needs to be sacked. Captain Maminchi, my honor will be Hakim Duenjua, Tisala West Ufo. Nice day, Capital.
Nice day, sir. Hello.
Hello, Chief Captain.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are Wawa down for Obibini Bakuma Makaway.
Medase.
Maminchi, Mr. Joe, your next MP.
Yo.
Captain. Now, your friend say contract or your Brunian or Bibini.
Or a Ghanani.
So, no. Okay, we say, yet a common Brunibia.
Ghana for ya between ya no abiaso say your friend say and Ghana ni wo ho no ye dia kwakomo ni na say na China ni na say. Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
Where a shame, big shame. Now winning the message a man penny say something who are also Captain. Winning ya me.
Oyache, Nana Yache. Oyache. Hello.
Hello, Captain. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
A gentleman in Kasavi is Legon.
A gentleman, that's it.
Yeah. Captain, on my any
oh,
Ampa Captain, Misha, Yana Michiba, BSC, Ghana be Ghana be Captain Sanyama win their Koswa. Would you say Ghana be? Sir, contractor, Wakoya Jumana in Centruni, when Yakoya, what big telephones and will be shout, be about a Juma Wayam. What young same Janka, I say your mother.
Your mother.
Captain Tukas has some way trade generator. Why and Papa now? Why in the morning? It's you are water office were Fruka Krakano. Then can send 20 if you are not kind your mother. Captain Ganos at the end of it.
Yes, on
my end. So far as saying, Nipaya, Titimu, Menumi, you kind of hate it. Don't forget why.
Young Fanny Power Friendship. Hello, good morning.
Well, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Contractor, no, I don't blame him. Because most of ministers need DCs, you know. My certificate, no more with the contract, no more use contractors to be as frontiers.
Oh, okay.
And you Okasa Unioka. Of late, when you might do Eastern region, or papers. My publisher, I don't know more tender, you know. No master, my contractors, I was site on me. Look at this. Recently, there's another advert. Says SIP, that's Parent School Improvement Education Project. Home compiler not 3 unit classroom, 6 unit classroom, 3 unit classroom, toilet facilities. Meaning as one lot on one lot. Now much alpha. Scientists and Kasa project be brave. A call one lot contract available to my said within 1 year. Master.
Hello.
No.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
Captain, my name is Donald. I'm calling from Lakeside.
You're calling from?
Lakeside.
Lakeside. Okay, all right.
Captain, you see, I've been listening to you about 2 years now. But you see, what is going on in Ghana, right? As the Vice President said, we don't need people to fight the corruption anymore. But I think this one, we need a serious man of God to command a certain demonic life in some of the government appointees there in office.
Hey.
You know, because I hate to call myself Ghanaian. You know, I don't know what exactly is going on in this country.
No. You see, you don't have to relegate yourself from the position of being a Ghanaian. No matter what happens, you need to be proud of yourself of being a Ghanaian. We can all join hands together and make this place a better place for all of us.
But please, you know, what we have to do is to look for a prophet. I mean, to command a certain demonic life in them. Me, I see it to be a demonic life. It's not ordinary life, you know. So we have to look for a prophet to command a certain demons in our leaders. That is what must be done. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir, but I still believe in Ghana anyway. Hello.
Good morning, Captain.
Good morning, sir.
George. What's the man patrol? Your papa Nana, the baby will be out here and open. Your uncle for the church 2016 about Ghana. One the four about man and I say, free education. You could be a toilet, you be to see a dime and the man. Young man, do baby a corruption, a horse for Ghana, no me, I may. Your panana, the chopper, corruption now, or so who boss will be too at here. Sir, Nana to corruption, I see, only you who say, I'm saying young call for my almost and from Makuma Mumed or my man. You're quite a number do baby, or my Timohan. What day aban ka $1.25. Captain, you bet you at the extra interest of Gugu so at $1. You bring a bag the milk. I send you at the dollar few and say, our more financial. You are Mexico, my Ghana, and see it me boy a Mexico who buy a this year and normal course on Korea good school. Meet me and answer me, go to your meet here. Father was never coma, Nakuma, at the my Ghana. Young penny for parliament, and I done useless parliament, and this year. Young penny for a dear new now best school of Brochida Woo and Ibiano. I'm in your position, we are no more free a phone for. Your papa and I don't know about me. I say, oh, man, to learn to corruption here. Free education, a deal of a side of my position. It's a good one at the moment.
Men so me da se yemfa ofrephobia biom yemfa sia kasema dunum na fei non kono abo so de wonim no ma me fafa ba wo so no nsi ha the vitamin can green things
only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3
only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3